Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino explaining. Today I want to look at binomial expansion. Is a question. Use binomial theorem to expand 2 plus x, the whole of that, raised power 5 in ascending powers of x up to the terms containing x cubed, and use expansion to find 1.9 raised power 5. Solution. Before I start, just a reminder, I have just uploaded a video on how to develop a Pascal's triangle. So that Pascal's triangle is normally used to give us coefficients. For the question like this, you shall see. So have been given to expand 2 plus x raised to power 5. 2 plus x raised to power, the whole of this raised to power 5 is the same as 2 plus x times 2 plus x times 2 plus x, 5 times 1, 2, 3, times 2 plus x, 4, times 2 plus x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you can see that when doing this, to do this, then again multiplying with this, then multiplying with this, by this, it's somehow tedious. So we use the binomial theorem to expand. So this will be 2 x. And there you have 2 plus x, so it will be 2x, but the powers of 2 will be descending or decreasing, but the powers of x will be increasing or ascending as per the question, in ascending powers of x. So we start with the highest power for 2. Since it's decreasing, we start with the highest power, which is 5. Are we there? Then x will be 0 plus 2x. So 2 will be 4. Remember, the powers of 2 are decreasing while the powers of x are increasing. There will be 1 plus 2, 3. X will be 2 plus 2, 4, not 4, 2, 2. For the 2 are decreasing, so 5, 4, 3, so here is 2. 2 squared x will be 3. The question is asking us up to the terms containing x is cubed. Already you have reached x cubed. Are we there? So that we have 2 raised to power 5 is 32. X raised to power 0 is 1. So 32 times 1 is 32, plus 2 raised to power 4 is 16. 2 raised to power 4 is 16 times x raised to power 1 is x. So 16 times x is 16x, plus 2 raised to power 3 is 8. And x square is just x square. So 8 times x square we get 8x squared, plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Then x cubed is x cubed. 2 raised to power 4, 4 times x cubed, we get 4x cubed. Okay, so after reaching this point, here is where we apply the we use the coefficient from the Pascal's triangle. When the powers of x, the power given for that expansion, for example 2 plus x, the whole of this raised to power 5, the coefficients are, when the power is 5 from the Pascal triangle, when the power is 5, are 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 5, 1. So we shall use these coefficients here. We just multiply here. 1 times 32 will be 132, then plus this is 5 16x plus this is 10 8x squared plus this is 10 4x cubed. Are we there? So that this becomes 32 times 1 is 32 plus 5 times 16, it is 80 x plus this is also 80 but x squared plus this time this is 40 x cubed. So we have solved the first part of our question in assigning powers of x to the terms containing x cubed. So the next part, or the second part of our question, is to use this expansion to find the value of 1.9 raised power 5. Are we there? So here we shall make this 1.9, we shall write this in the form of 2 plus x raised power 5. So here is 5, here is raised power 5, raised power 5. So we have to write this in this form 2 plus x, so that we just equate 1.9 raised power 5 is equals to 2 plus x raised power 5. Are we there? So that we have 1.9 is equals to 2 plus x. To find x is 1.9 minus, as this crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus. Remember, here is positive. Minus 2 is equals to x, so that our x is negative 0.1. So to write this 1.9 in the form 2 plus x is simply 1.9 raised power 5 is equals to 2 plus the x that we have found plus negative 0.1 raised power 5, with the same as 2 plus x raised power 5. Okay, are we together? So you can see that this 2 is here, so we just have to substitute the value of x, which is 0.1. substitute negative 0.1 in x in this expansion. Are we there? So that our expansion 32 plus 80x plus 80x squared plus 40x cubed. If we substitute negative 0.1 in x, it will be 32 plus 80 negative 0.1. Are we there? Plus 80 negative 0.1, but it is squared, plus 40 negative 0.1 cubed. So that we have, this will be 32, this will be negative 0.1 times 80. What do we get? Negative 0.1 times 80, 32 minus 8 plus, remember, negative 0.1 squared plus 0.8 plus negative 0.04, and the answer becomes 24.76. That's the answer, 24.76.